Good afternoon, it's Nola. I still have 3 of these packages done, and I was wondering if anybody wanted one, so I'm going to show you what's in it again. You get this gorgeous strip of sari, and I have quite a lot of these beigey ones if you're interested. Then we have a little bundle of, what is this? I've forgotten the name of it now. Anyway, there's a double piece of that, one of those. And let's see. I have a little bundle of ribbon in here, like this. And then I have this bundle of trims. There's this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and also this one. Then I have some more bundles of lace in here, and this is one, a beading lace, and then there's this one, and this one, and that one, and this one. Then there is a little bundle of doilies, and there's this one, and this is some trim, and some more trim that's in that package. Then you get a piece of this chiffon, I think it is. You get a fairly large piece of that, which is always nice to work with. You get a piece of this yummy lace. Not pretty. I think that one is gorgeous. Then you get a piece of this one as well. And you get some bundles of trim. This one, and this one, and this one. You get this bundle, this package of beads, but I don't think they're all the same, but they're gold beads in all of them. Then you get a little piece of lace like this. And a little bag of buttons, quite a few buttons, and there's a charm in there as well, a couple of charms, buttons and charms, 2 charms, 3 charms and buttons. Then there is a cut piece of wedding applique, another piece of applique, and this one. You get this piece of fabric. It's quite a substantial piece that opens right up. And this piece, again, that's a fairly large piece of fabric. And this piece, again, that's double. And this one. And you get one of these. A little piece of applique, and this is old applique. It's very vintage. And you get a little piece of a lace collar. And this little piece of interesting fabric. So that's what's in the kit. And I wanted $20 for them, but I'll take 15, and I have 3, and I'm not making any more of these. So if you want them, let me know and I will get it on its way. So thanks for watching. Bye now.